In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics 4 on Wix. By the end, your Wix site will be connected to GA4 so you can track traffic and learn how visitors use your pages. Start by opening your Google Analytics account. Sign in at analytics.google.com and make sure you're in the correct account and GA4 property for the website you want to connect. If you manage multiple sites, double-check the property name in the top bar so you don't grab an ID from the wrong one. Once you're in the right property, go to Admin Settings. You'll find the Admin gear icon at the bottom left of the Analytics interface. In the Admin area, look under the Property column and click Data Streams. This is where all data inputs for the property are listed. From the list of streams, click the specific one that matches your website. You're looking for the web data stream for your domain. Opening it will show details for that stream, including the identifier you need for Wix. Copy the measurement ID. It appears at the top right of the stream panel and starts with the letter G, followed by a dash and a series of characters. Use the copy icon to avoid typos. This GA4 measurement ID is what Wix uses to send data into your analytics property. Now switch over to Wix. Open your site's dashboard, then click Settings. In the Settings area, find and click Marketing Integration. Depending on your dashboard layout, it may appear under Marketing and SEO, but the option is called Marketing Integration. In the Integrations list, locate Google Analytics and click Connect. Wix will prompt you to paste your GA4 measurement ID. Paste the ID you copied from Google Analytics, then follow the prompts on your screen to confirm and save. Wix handles the connection automatically once the ID is in place. That's the entire setup process. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you pasted a GA4 measurement ID that begins with G, not a legacy UAID. If you manage multiple Wix sites, repeat this process for each site with its own GA4 property and measurement ID to keep data clean. After saving, data may take some time to appear in your standard reports, but you can usually see activity sooner in the real-time view inside Google Analytics. Also, ensure your site is published and that any ad blockers or browser extensions aren't preventing tracking while you test. You're all set. Your Wix site is now connected to Google Analytics 4, and you can start measuring what matters.